Hello everyone. Today we will learn about this and that. This means yeah and that means wah. Okay? This means yeah and that means wah. This is also used for singular form and that is also used for singular form. This. First we will see this. This is used which things that is near to us. Here you can see the ball is near to us, so we will use this for the ball. This is a ball. It means ball is near to us. So right here this. The spelling of this is P-H-I-S. Number 2. Here we can see the flower is far from us. Flower दूर है हमसे. It means here we will use that. Spelling of that is T-H-A-T. The flower is far to us, so we will use that here. Third is a star. You can see star is far from us. So what will we use here? That. That is used for star because star is far from us. So right here that. The spelling of that is T-H-A-T. That. The next one is a fish. Fish is near to us. Here is no arrow. Arrow is used for the far things. Here is no arrow. The fish is near to us. So we will use this for the fish. T-H-I-S. This is a fish. Number 5 is a tree. Tree is far from us, so we will use here that. We will use that for the tree because tree is far from us. So right here that. The spelling of that is T-H-A-T. The things which is near to us we will use for this, and the things which are far from us we will use that. Number 1, this is a ball. Here we use this for the ball because ball is near to us. That is a flower. Flower is far from us, so we will use here that. That is a star. Star is far from us, so we will use here that for the star. Number 4. This is a fish. Fish is near to us, so we will use here this. This is a fish. The last one, that is a tree. Tree is far from us, so we will use that for the tree. Okay? Did you understand? Thank you.